Hey Escambia County teachers, and welcome back to another Byte of Tech with your Student Data Systems team. Have you found yourself puzzled on how to modify your categories correctly for the current marking period and beyond? Maybe you're wanting to change the percentage weights or drop the lowest grade in that category. Keep watching to find out how to modify these categories so you're not deleting or duplicating any previous quarter information and grades. From your gradebook screen, make sure that you have the current marking period selected here. Next, look at which class you would like to begin with and make sure that's selected in the top right corner. Go over to the left-hand side towards the top and look for the Category tab. Once that's selected, you'll see all of your previously created categories listed here. If you click on an individual category, you'll see that the assignments underneath that category appear, as well as an Edit button. So if you're wanting to make changes to your test category for the current marking period and beyond, go ahead and click the Edit button here, and you'll see your Edit Category screen appear. Here, you can edit items such as the title, the color, you can change the percent of final grade, as well as choose to automatically drop the lowest grades. You'll also see here that we have our linked elements, such as the linked sections that you've selected here, as well as linked marking periods, which default to all 4 marking periods. So if you click this drop down, you'll see the courses that you've previously selected this category to appear in, as well as the marking periods listed here. And as I said before, it defaults then when you originally create the category for all 4 marking periods. However, when you are editing categories, these linked elements do not need to be touched. If you are looking to change the title or the percent of final grade, or if you want to automatically drop the lowest quiz grade or test grade in this category, you are not going to select anything with the linked section elements or the linked marking period elements. What you're going to do is make your changes. So if we're wanting to drop the lowest quiz grade or lowest category grade from this category for this marking period and beyond, we'll select our numerical value there. And then we're going to click the Save button. That's it. Don't change anything else. So go ahead and click the Save button. And you'll see this new Save Category edit window appear. You'll have this information bullet which says that this category is linked to multiple gradebooks, as you saw on the previous screen. So you're going to confirm the changes that you'd like to apply and whether you'd like those to go to the existing periods or existing marking periods. So you can see here that we want to make this change throughout all of our classes, so we're going to leave all of those selected. If I didn't want period 7 to have this new change, I would just deselect that period from here. This green screen is the Go screen for selecting or deselecting marking periods or classes. So this is just if you don't want those edits to appear. Next, you'll see the quarters. You'll see here that the current quarter is quarter 3, and that is grayed out because we are making the change in this current quarter. You can also see that quarter 4 is selected because it is a future occurring quarter. So it's going to make these changes in those 2 quarters if you have these boxes selected here. You can choose to have this just make the change in the current quarter by deselecting any future quarters. However, you do not want any changes to occur in any previous marking periods. Therefore, we are not going to select to make these changes in quarter 1 or quarter 2, only future marking periods and beyond. Then save your changes, and those new changes for that category will appear. You can see here, since we dropped the lowest grade for this category, that those arrows are notating that the grades have been dropped. I'm going to switch to quarter 4 and just show you, since we on the green screen decided to have this modification go into the next quarter, you can see on quarter 4 that the automatically drop the lowest grade is populated here. This way of modifying categories will only affect our current and future marking periods as selected. This will make sure that no previous quarter information or grade data will be duplicated or deleted during the process. And that's another Byte of Tech. Thanks for watching. Check out the additional videos listed here and open the description below for more resources and a comment card for future video requests. Before you leave, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our new videos every Tuesday.